Hey guys, just a quick review today on a wind-up Skarloey. Now this came to post when I was at school today, so yeah, I said this is gonna be quick. So let's just get this guy opening. So yeah, basically just the same as the Skarloey. Let me just wind them up. I'm not gonna show going. I'm just gonna show what I have to do with the wind up. This guy's a noisy beast. So yeah, basically just a wind up Skarloey. Let's have a little in-hand appraisal of him. His face. It looks very set handle-ish. The side, back, other side, top, bottom, yeah. Yada yada yada. This has been my review on Skarloey. Hope you enjoyed.